Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a greeting card that I titled Pumpkin Kisses. I'm using the digital version of the collection Hello Autumn by Carta Bella, and I'm also using one of my freebie sketches that you can find as fully functional silhouette and SVG cut file on my website, MistyHilltops.com. I'm further using a label from the Silhouette store and a label die and some pumpkin dies. So I'm starting by, I have two pieces of papers. They are digital and I just printed them out and I mount them onto the card base. And then I have the strip of paper that I want to use as a divider or like a belly band or whatever you want to call these, across, so to give a little contrast between the two pages. And then I'm deciding, how do I want to put down this label? Do I want it a little offset or do I want it centered? And I decide to go with a centered version, centered that is on the paper strip there. And then I still have the two little pumpkins there. I just die cut them from white cardstock and then watercolored them, and then now I'm ready to add them to this page. I thought they were fitting because there's this beautiful pumpkin patterned paper that is just watercolor. That's, I guess, why I bought this collection in the first place. And so here I'm just adding the little pumpkins there in the corner as a little bit of an embellishment to go with this page. And this is my page done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.